Hi, Umaita here. This video has 4 goals. Number 1, showing you how to download the compiled trading bots you have made on the channel. How to load the trading bots to MT5 on your laptop or local machine. How to configure the different settings and what they mean. And lastly, how to make changes to the trading bots. We currently have 3 videos on the channel, and thus 3 trading bot bundles can be downloaded. You first need to go to Gumroad. I'll start with this trading bot. Follow the Gumroad steps to download. The next step to test a trading bot on your laptop is to make sure you have a deriv account. You can sign up on deriv if you do not have one. Next, download an MT5. You can download the deriv MT5 and install it on your laptop. I'm currently logged on to my deriv account on this MT5. Start by clicking on File, then click on Data folder, then MQL5, then Experts. For organization's sake, I'll create a new folder here. I'll name this folder Demo. Copy the downloaded trading bots to this folder. Back to MT5, launch the Navigator window by going to View, then Navigator. This will open this window. Right-click on Expert Advisor and click on Refresh. You should see the demo folder. To backtest the trading bots, go to View, then click on Strategy Tester. So let's say we want to backtest this trading bot on this video. The trading bot takes trades after a spike happens. Say for example on boom, once a spike happens at this point, the trading bot takes a trade for the next 5 candles. 5 is the default, but you can change this. We want to test this on boom 1000, so select boom 1000 from this drop down. If you cannot see boom 1000, go to Market Watch tab that can be launched by going to View, then Market Watch. On Market Watch, click here and type the symbol you need to add, then hit enter on your keyboard. This will be added. Back on the strategy tester, you can choose how far back you need the trading bot to be back tested. You can adjust the values as you see fit. For this case, I'll just use this month. Leave the forward as is. For delays, I like using this option as it simulates latency from my network. For modeling, please make sure you select every tick based on real ticks. This will simulate as close as possible to live trading. Choose a deposit and preferred leverage. You can use actual figures you intend to use in a live account to get a better picture of how the bot performs. Leave optimization as disabled, then check the visual mode. So I mentioned the trading bot takes trades on the next 5 candles on the next 5 spikes after a candle. We coded the trading bot such that this value is flexible. So on the inputs tab here, you can adjust the lot size per trade, the stop loss, the take profit, and max candles is the number of candles you want the trading bot to pick trades after a spike. The magic number is used to identify the trading bot, so you can also change this to any random numbers. Now we are all set to backtest. So click on Start on the right. This will launch the tester and let it run. We can see the trading bot was taking trades as if it was loaded on the 1st of March. Up here, you can control how fast you want the backtest to go. On the toolbar, you can check the ongoing trades and the closed trades. This is usually very helpful while coding to make sure the trading bot is doing what you want it to do. Once the strategy tester is done, on MT5 you'll notice a new backtest tab appears. Here you can see all the stats of the backtest. The trading bot is not doing great, as you can see. So now if you want to try this with different values such as lot size or max candle, you can always go back to the inputs tab and repeat the process. So to load the trading bot on your current account, this assumes, by current account I mean either demo or live account. This first assumes that you're already logged into that account. So first add a new chart and change the time frame. Open the navigator window, choose the trading bot you want to load on your chart, right click on it, then select Attach to Chart. On this pop-up, check these 2 boxes. On the Input tab, you can change the values as you wish, then click on OK. Also make sure Algo Trading is green here. Once you load it, you should see this blue heart up here showing that the trading bot was loaded on this chart. And this will run as long as you have internet and electricity 24/7 and you do not close MT5. So something to mention is that you can put this on different charts and they will run separately as long as the magic number is not the same. So make sure if you're loading this on different charts, the magic number changes. In the event you want to change values the trading bot is using, I've shared the source codes on my GitHub for all the trading bots. For example, if you want to use the bid instead of the ask, you can always download the source code from GitHub, change the value, and compile the trading bot again. I have shown this in all the videos. The coding video for the trading bot used here can be found on this video.